Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, we're actually at the market. We're at the market again today. Today is a market day. Yeah? I guess we can try the nuts, alright? Amesh, you awake? Yeah, family, so Amesh actually awake. Amesh, you awake? You awake? One more comfort zone for you. One more comfort zone. Like they're fresh. It's a very big watermelon. Watago. Amesh, you're cooling down? Yes, we're at the market. At the market. We're at the market. Markety. Marketa, boy. Marketa. Marketa. Where we go next? You can't ever get ripe banana up top there. Yeah? They say they want arrowroot. Need to get a pumpkin. Alright, let's walk up this side till we get ripe banana here. Yes. Yes, yes. We need to get some ripe avocado, right? Because we don't have the ripe one. Ripe avocado. We're not even juicing no more. What about something this sweetie? You don't want okra? Let me get a can of this sweetie. Banana. The one is fine. Baby banana. Oh yeah. It looks small. Look on that side, we get the pumpkin. There are a lot of pumpkin on that side. Yeah. We're going back this way. Yeah. So, sweetie, when you said the lady was trying to rob you?
I won't say that, but...
What obviously she was trying to?
Yes, because if you're not careful
Yeah.
and you're measuring,
Yeah.
you can get hooked off.
Yeah, yeah.
So what happens?
Yeah.
Measuring.
Yeah. If you're not watching.
Yeah?
So if you're not watching. It's a nice matoke there, sweetie. Down there in that in the thing. The chali. See the pumpkin one there. Let's go for the pumpkin man. No, right not here. Right there. Some nice banana here, sweetie. You can take a few on. Yeah, this one. They look nice. Yeah, they. Sweet banana.
How many pieces?
Or she sell the bunch. Ah. We can take this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one. And this one. Feeling nice. Oh, how you feeling? Alright. Let's go and get the pumpkin from that man. Obviously you get the...
So now what has happened, the lady is just measuring things, thinking I'm not checking,
Okay.
but I'm checking.
Mm.
Maybe I'll fall down. You want a big one?
No, it's fine. The small one is fine. How much you give you? How much? 3? 3 bunch. 4 piece? Oh, this one is nice. No, I don't like that one. Even this one. Give me this one. This one is big. I take out the small one. I don't know why to put this one in. Take out this one.
Which one?
This one. Yeah. Make me want that one. Sorry, sweetie, what happened?
I was trying to.
Let's say you're thirsty for coconut water.
Let me show you. Nanu entered his leg badly.
Huh? Amesh. Getting munch. Munch, munch. Munch, munch. How much kgs is it to hold this now? In this spoon?
36, I think.
Right? Have a long way to go then.
36 kgs if you carry it there.
Yeah. What is baby doing there?
So it's 300 now.
Eh? I think it's still 4. We take out one and add one.
No, you take out one and it's like a replacement. We have replaced this. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so it's still
Yeah, I think it's still 4. That's enough banana. That one.
Yeah?
Don't give me this one.
You want this one? You want how many?
No, but they look small when you look at them, sweetie.
Let me
I think that one is fine. That one is cool.
Second one.
Yeah, that one, yeah. That one is fine.
Four piece.
Okay. Yeah. Sweet banana. So, you know, the green peas, you know, and green peas. I don't like this. What are those, sweetie? What are those? Those. What's those?
I don't know. These ones. Yeah? No, I have mango. And the papaya? No.
See, let's go into the pumpkin, man. You want pineapple too, man, because pineapple is the one. Fish finger.
I'll see how nice they are. Like that.
You don't look good.
Let's go there. This one thing.
Arrowroot, let's say one, I true. Who is selling here? That's one. That's that one. This one. This one. Arrowroot. 6 kg. Okay. Watch this. Spinach. This is a Campbell of Foodie.
What's that?
Chocho.
The one we got in Ghana?
The wallet in Jamaica.
So how much?
Spinach.
I guess.
Not today. Not today.
Not today.
See you can.
Yeah.
5:30.
5:30.
5:30.
We need to get some lime, sweetie. Some lime on the way.
Are those ones down there? What? That's lemon.
That's lemon. Let's go on that side. Yeah. Them have matoke there, sweetie.
Not matoke.
What is that? Oh. Sweetie, what happened here? Jam up?
No, they look nice.
Oh, you want passion?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here. I don't know what's look at this one. Banana that has been cooked to ripe. It's not matoke.
With what?
It's not for cooking. This one for eating.
Ah, to ripen. Ah.
Show me where there's matoke.
Okay. Amish, you want to come out? You want to come out of the cage? In cage. You want to come out, not true? Don't worry, you soon come out, okay? Soon come out of this cage. Come out of the cage, Amish. Really, get some of this tomato. You're gonna get like 2 packs.
Hey, 2 million. Yes.
$100 for one, right? Special. B, you want to try some special? Okay. Let's go. We have eaten it in a long time.
Special. There's a little in the house actually.
Ah, okay.
How much from?
Go for the matoke.
Matoke. Take it. Oh, sorry.
Matoke. Matoke. What you doing, man?
Fine.
Yeah. You having a ripe avocado? No? Oh. Let me have a few jelly. A bottle. Yeah, let me have a bottle too. And a few to drink now. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we stopped to have some jelly. Some jelly coconut. Have some jelly coconut. Amesh, you can't manage to drink this. Eh? Suck it. Suck. You can't suck. Yeah. Sweetie, you get what you want?
Yeah. Hello. Love says sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
See, I sit right there.
Junior. Hello, yeah.
Yeah, cut one for.
Yeah.
Three, so the time now we say one. You can get one of this. So you have some lime there, Foodie. I don't know if it's lime. Get some lime. Next time I walk with Amish back to Foodie. And throw it tonight for him. So Amish, next time we're gonna walk with your buckle, we're gonna throw. Yeah?
We have it already.
Yeah?
Just that it's in the car.
Alright, it's in the car.
But it has water.
Maybe I should go for it.
It has
Well, what
water.
we'll do, you just throw it from the back when you get it. Yeah? Offering power to we at church. She didn't like these coconut.
You like them?
I guess them not gonna be so hard. We need a dry one. The dry one is better. Well, what about that place we buy?
For the lips.
I
I like it.
We're gonna get dry coconut. See, do you want another one?
Yes.
Another one.
Let me have another one too. And another
Oh,
one.
this is the stone for night.
Eh?
The stone.
Rub your foot. Oh, if you sell it in this video, you can buy it.
So we have to.
But it's not like that
How does it look like?
because it's breaking up. Remember, it's break. Maybe because it's not so tough.
I'll get this one.
The big one or the small one?
Like, I'll need to.
On the big one or the small one? Remember the one that has the thing, right?
Yeah. Close up.
Yeah. And this one is for like stirring the porridge. This is what I used to shower with. Not true. Wow. Maybe I should try it. Not true. It's good for exfoliating, sweet. This way to exfoliate your skin. Feel like I should buy one and try it. Right? This is what I used to shower with, right? Well, let me try it. Let me try one. Okay, I'm going to take what I'm
He's
It's falling out?
He's falling out.
Okay.
Not yet. His bundle is having
But you don't take the meat out. Oh, this is to cook food.
It's for cooking in bread. For big
Eh? Yeah.
I've put in an oil.
Must we check if them have seed?
What?
If it's seedless lime, I don't want it.
I'll just ask. So that's it for shopping, no?
See, if we have everything.
Oh, it says tomatoes and lemon. What are these tomatoes?
Come on, you have one here? So we're just waiting for the meat.
You remove
You want two of this? Yeah, yeah.
Half milk.
Break it.
Give me one.
Eh?
But this is going to leave a lot of things in the bathroom, sweetie. I don't think I need it. It's going to leave a lot of things in the bathroom. Eh? It's going to leave a lot of things in the bathroom.
And then before it becomes, what are you eating? Still drip your eye.
What we do, we pour some of the coconut water
Eye.
in the bottle for him, right?
I do that.
Well, you can take one of this one to mix the porridge, and then one of this one to serve. That's a deep scoop. I think this one is good.
Give me a dog.
Yeah?
This one.
Yeah, and the one that has the cutting at the middle. So one you want or two. Or this one is better, it's deeper, right? Eh?
So like this one.
Yeah. So one with how much for them?
How much for it?
100.
Maybe.
Papa.
It's a kilo.
Papa. Hi, Papa. Papa Amish. Is it Papa? Papa. 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 Yeah, family, so we're actually getting the meat from the coconut. As you know, the only meat we eat is jelly meat. Amish. Yeah, family, so we get like 2 cups. 2 cups of meat. Sweetie, we get 2 cups. Normally get 1 or 2?
2. For me and for you.
Eh?
For me and for you.
Last time we get 1 cup.
No, we get 2.
Sure?
For real.
Bow.
Check.
Boss. No, tell him to.
That's
Chupa moja 400. Hizi ni ngapi ya madam?
How many pieces did we eat?
Eh?
How many pieces did we eat?
You drink 2, I drink 1, and him drink 1.
So 4.
Okay, 3 pieces. We are 1 discount.
Okay.
610.
Tomato.
86.
Yeah?
600. How many make a bill? 2. Moja 1000.
Niko moja ni mama.
200. Na unaona ni bao gani? Hiyo bao unaona si kama hii hapa. Hiyo ni ile strong.
Hii ni ya how much?
Eh?
Hii ni ya nini?
Hii ni 150.
This one thicker.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man, respect. One love.
Karibu.
Right? You feed it? It's all right, right? The avocado, right? Go on, that's it. Alright, let's walk up. Oh yeah, we'll get it up top there. Where there is? Let's go on. We'll see. Let's go. You can buy from Dry. Yeah? All right, still. Where? Eh? Alright, let's go. Need fully dried. Make sure. Breaking my back. Eh? This lady selling ice cream, sweetie. Right? They sell ice cream. Look at this. Where it off. Alright, let's see. I guess we'll just try them and see. Oh, they have a lot of these cherry tomatoes right here. A lot of cherry tomatoes. Guess we can come out from here, not true?
Yeah.
We are get tomatoes right here, Toto. Oh, sour sap. White support, sweetie.
They look nice. They look like they're dry. Look at this one down. This one looks dry until it's cracking. Oh, boo. Yeah? We only have 1,000. I didn't expect us to use 1,000 there. Love out of that one there. Isn't it? That's it. Grapefruit, no such. 100. Give me one nice. Send you excuse her. Oh, they don't look nice.
They don't look nice. It's alright, it's alright. Don't worry with it. We'll just take the...
Look, where to is she? Yeah.
Yes, we just take some white support and that's it. Okay? This one. Let's see. That's that ripe? That one ripe? Yeah, this one is ripe, sweetie. It's nice. This one is ripe too. I don't know if it doesn't look good. We'll just take this one, sweetie. Maybe it will ripe. Look, give me that one right there. Yeah, this one almost ripe. So these two. The whites apart, they sell?
Yeah, 100.
100 per kilo. This big and nice, sweetie, not true? You like them? Whites apart. Whites apart. My whites apart. How much my whites apart? Those one I'll eat this one now. I'll eat that one now. Yeah, I'll eat this one now. It's spoiled?
You might find it has worms. It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right?
I like the ripe one then.
No, sorry. Okay, let's just take them and then go and ripen. They ripen quick. Like
Yeah,
this one is nice.
Yeah, Amish is uncomfortable. Amish, you uncomfortable now? You want
This is so hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. Alright, let's go. Amish is getting really uncomfortable. Yeah, just a kilo. Papa. My papa. Papa, I am comfortable. You uncomfortable? You uncomfortable?